You are living in the golden age of generative AI, where every second a model is trained costs billions. But look at what's actually happening right now. Chinese tech giants Alibaba and Tencent just dumped over $2.8 billion into Kling AI. This isn't just another funding round. It represents a massive shift in how we value artificial intelligence assets globally. In this video, we are going to break down exactly why these behemoths are betting so heavily on short-form video generation, what the new valuation of $15 billion really means for the market, and whether this signals the start of a new era where AI creates content at scale faster than humans ever could. The story starts with Kuaishou technology, one of China's leading social media platforms, which has been aggressively pivoting towards its own generative capabilities. They aren't just building another chatbot. They are building Kling AI, a dedicated artificial intelligence engine designed specifically for video generation. This is a crucial distinction because text and image models have already saturated the market, but high-quality video remains the last frontier where human production still dominates. By injecting over 19 billion yuan into this venture, Kuaishou is essentially betting that their platform can become the central hub for AI-generated entertainment in China, rivaling TikTok and Instagram Reels on a global scale. The sheer volume of capital involved suggests they see this not as an experiment, but as a core infrastructure play. When you look at the broader context, the Chinese tech sector is under immense pressure to innovate domestically due to external headwinds, making vertical integration with proprietary AI models a strategic necessity for survival and growth. Kling isn't just a tool. It's becoming the engine that powers the next generation of digital interaction. What makes this investment even more significant is the performance data backing it up. Reports indicate that Kling AI's revenue has already quadrupled year over year in its most recent quarter, a metric that screams confidence from investors. This rapid growth trajectory validates the thesis that video generation is no longer a luxury feature, but a fundamental requirement for user engagement. As users get bored with static images and simple text responses, they crave dynamic, evolving content that feels alive. Kling appears to have cracked the code on generating videos that are smooth, coherent, and emotionally resonant without requiring hours of manual editing. This explosion in revenue isn't just a number. It represents a viral loop where every piece of generated video acts as an advertisement for the next one, driving exponential user acquisition. When you combine this explosive revenue growth with a $15 billion pre-money valuation from top-tier investors like Alibaba and Tencent, the market is clearly signaling that the barrier to entry for high-quality AI video is being shattered. It's not just about feasibility anymore. It's about speed and scale. The involvement of Alibaba and Tencent adds a layer of strategic depth that goes beyond simple financial support. These are not just any investors. They are the titans of the Chinese internet ecosystem, controlling the vast majority of payment processing, e-commerce logistics, and social connectivity. By backing Kling AI, they are creating a closed-loop ecosystem where content creation, distribution, monetization, and transaction processing all happen under one roof. Imagine a world where you create an AI video on Kling, sell it as a digital asset or merchandise within the Kuaishou ecosystem, and get paid instantly via Alipay without ever leaving the app. This level of integration reduces friction for creators and advertisers alike, making the platform incredibly sticky. Furthermore, this move forces other global players to rethink their strategies. Western giants like OpenAI and Google are racing to replicate these capabilities, but they now face a formidable competitor that has deep local market understanding, massive data assets from Kuaishou's user base, and immediate access to the world's largest integrated payment network. The dynamic has shifted from a race to the finish line to a battle for dominance in the heart of Asia, setting the stage for a global standard of what AI video should look like in 5 years. For anyone watching this, the practical implications are immediate and far-reaching. If Kling AI succeeds in its new valuation, it means that the tools for creating professional-grade video will become cheaper, faster, and more accessible than ever before. Imagine a small business owner who can generate custom promotional videos in minutes instead of spending weeks filming and editing. Or consider the educational sector, where complex concepts could be visualized through dynamic AI-driven animations tailored to specific learning styles. The $15 billion valuation also suggests that the industry will attract even more talent and resources, leading to rapid iteration cycles where features are released weekly rather than annually. However, it does raise questions about content saturation and originality as we move forward. As these tools democratize video creation, how do we ensure authenticity remains a premium value? The answer likely lies in hybrid workflows that combine AI generation with human curation, creating a new kind of digital artistry. Ultimately, this funding round marks the transition from hype to utility, proving that artificial intelligence has found its most potent application, capturing and holding our attention through motion and sound. The $2,800 million bet by Alibaba, Tencent, and Kuaishou on Kling AI is more than just a financial transaction. It's a declaration of intent for the future of digital content. We are witnessing the birth of a new medium where video creation is as fluid and accessible as writing once was. The quadruple revenue growth and $15 billion valuation tell us that we are already inside this revolution, not just watching it. So, stay tuned because the next few years will define how we consume information and entertain ourselves forever. If you found this breakdown of the AI video landscape insightful, hit that like button to support the channel. Drop a comment below with your take. Do you think Kling can challenge Western giants, or is the global market already too fragmented? Subscribe for more deep dives into the tech shaping our world.